guys, welcome back to your English classes. Today is Wednesday, March 3rd, 2021, and I'm your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin. So, what we're going to do today is a review about the transportation of vehicles. We have some of them here, but we're going to focus on these ones: the school bus, the ambulance, train, police car, the yacht, the subway, the van, the jeep, the motorcycle, the airplane, the submarine, fire engine, sorry, and the taxi, the truck, the bicycle, the dump truck, the semi truck, and the boat, and I think the police car, and I think those are all of them. So, just to practice, we're going to do this exercise. For example, where is the car? The car. Where is the car? Who can tell me? Car. Is it right here? No, that's not. Is it this one? Yeah, very good. Where is the boat? That's right. Yeah, the boat was easy to find, right? It's here in the part of text. The lorry. Well, you don't know this one, but the lorry it's like the same that a truck. So if it's the same, it's this one. The bus. Bus. There are two buses. So either we can put this one or these ones that are red. The train. Where is the train? I don't see the train. Where is the train? Oh, you're right. It's down here. Very good. The bicycle. Bicycle. Is this the bicycle? No. Yeah, you're right. This is the bicycle. The plane. Where is the plane? Yep, that's the plane. That motorcycle, motorbike or motorcycle is where it is. Yeah, this one. The coach. Well, this means the same as bus. They are synonyms. So coach are these ones. The helicopter. What is that helicopter? Yeah, I see it now. This is the helicopter. And a taxi. Where is the taxi? That is this one. And that's all. This is just to remind you about the vehicles of transportation. So tomorrow we're going to practice more. And that's all for today. See you tomorrow and have a great day. Yes,